Hi, my name is Adewale Troutman. I'm very honored to have been named for this award. This award that is connected to the name of David Satcher and to the practice of reduction of health disparities, which has been my part of my life for some 50 years now. The notion that these differences in health outcomes and status are somehow blamed by the victim is one of the things that we've seen happen and that we must continue to be guarded against. That the differences in health outcome and status are based upon the social determinants of health. Primarily, we know that only roughly 20-25% of personal behavior is responsible for the differences in health or one's health status. Beyond that, we know that the zip code is more powerful than the genetic code in determining what happens to populations around their health. All this is based upon the notion that health is a basic human right, that it is about social justice, it's about the existence of continued injustice in this country, and that social injustice is the primary driver of the health outcome differences that we see between populations based upon race, ethnicity, socioeconomic status, etc. And again, that the social determinants of health are the major drivers of health status, and therefore should be the major force of our efforts to close this gap and bring about true health equity in the United States. You know, this has been a long career for me. I'm looking forward to, at some point, slowing down, but not for a time yet, not until we see some more progress. I'll tell you. Again, I want to thank the organization for naming me for this award. I want to thank my good friend, Darlene Salmons, for reaching out to me in relationship to this award. And I want you to enjoy your conference, learn from your conference, be re-energized from your conference, focus on making a difference and making a difference now, not tomorrow or next week. You can do this. We can do this. This is not a natural phenomenon, and therefore we can do this. The last thing I'd like to say to you is, Black Lives Matter.